Back to the basics, wholesaling houses. Go from having a negative account to your account way up there in the black. I mean, you can go from having negative $50 in your account to having $9,500 in your account, just like that. What I'm going to do is show you exactly, step by step, how to get rid of that negative account and to put your account back into the black. Don't hate me, but wholesaling real estate literally took me out of a job where I was working in a call center, starting off at $10 an hour, with my last paying job making $38,000 a year. Now, what I'm going to do is show you exactly what I would do if I lost everything step by step. So if that's your situation, watch this video all the way through to get the game to how to start cashing 5-figure checks monthly. Now, with wholesaling houses, what are we looking for? We are looking for motivated sellers. We're not looking for property for sale. We're looking for property on sale. So what does that mean? No, I don't want you to just go on Zillow, look for listings, and start calling people. Absolutely not. I want you to get on the ground and do the work by looking for these particular sellers who have a headache, right? And with solving the headache, you will get the real estate. Now, as a real estate investor, what you want to do is you want to walk around and keep some Advil in your pocket, because you never know when you're going to run into a seller with a headache, and you want to be able to solve that problem. So what do I mean by Advil and the headache? The sellers we typically deal with have some type of problems where they need to sell fast. Divorce, relocation, tired landlord, back taxes, code enforcement, all of these things. And I need you to know where to find these particular sellers who literally want to give you their property. So how do you find that motivated seller? Those sellers that want to just give away their properties to you, right? So let's say that we are in Indianapolis, Indiana, and let's go to Indianapolis, Indiana. It's one of the reasons why I love this software, right? Because with this particular software, I can do this all over, be virtual, etc., right? And I'm going to give you the software link and all of that in the description. But if you use my link, dorudata.com, which is on the screen, you get a 7-day free trial, right? 7-day free trial. So you might want to do that. Now I got to pull it up. So what do I do next, right? Like, where do I go? Where are the hot blocks? Where is it going down at, man? I want to find out, right? Where's all the activity? Where's the money, etc., man? Because that's where I want to go. So what I want to do, I want to go here, right? I'm gonna click cash buyers. I'm gonna show you why I did this, right? Because I'm gonna do a little bit quick research for y'all, right? I'm gonna go to zip, right? So they're gonna put this in numerical order. And I am going to skim through this, right? Because it's 61,000 cash buyers, which is a lot. I'm going to skim through this and I'm going to see 46201. 46201. Wow, they got a lot of cash buyers. They're the whole page, the whole first page. So 46201. 46201 is still going on, man. Like, page 2, 46201 is still going on page 3. Man, this 46201 is a hot spot, man. Let me go here, man. Let me just go here. Let me see what's going on. Let me clear all filters. I'm gonna clear all filters. I'm gonna go back to 46201 because it had like 3 pages of just the zip code and cash buyers buying in that particular area, right? So what I'm gonna do next is I want to see what's going on in this particular pocket. 5,000 cash buyers just in this zip code. That's crazy. What list do I pull? How do I find these motivated sellers, right? I want to go to vacant, right? I'm gonna click on vacant. Okay, I'm gonna download this and I'm gonna hit add to list, create new, and I'm gonna name it 46201 vacants, right? So, and then I'm gonna save it, right? So that's how I can find motivated sellers. You see how quick I just researched that market to see? And just to put this in perspective, I've never been to Indianapolis, man. Shout out to the Naptown, though. I'm sure it is a beautiful city. But do you see how simple that was? Right? This tool can make it that simple. Hypothetically speaking, right? Let's say that you find one of these houses that are vacant, right? I'm going to click on this because why is this vacant? Let's say I got this under contract, right? Let's say I got this under contract. But what do I do next, man? You got it under contract. Well, what I am going to do next is I'm going to go to compare and nearby deals, right? And so that I am being really specific with my finding the cash buyers, I am going to just pull a cash buyer from this particular area by hitting this number, 150 cash buyers. Now I got 150 cash buyers to sell my deal. Now listen, bro, if you got 150 cash buyers and one great deal, can you do this business? That's what I thought. So that's how you would find sellers. And again, you can use this system by a 7-day free trial. Now, let's say you find a seller and they're willing to give you the property. Well, you need the paperwork. Where do you get the paperwork? Duh, you just go to DoruContracts.com. DoruContracts.com. You know, screenshot this, put it in your Apple Notes folder for all you Android people. I don't know if you got a note folder, but I'm sure just put DoruContracts.com and just get my contracts, man. You know, they're free. So listen, check this out, right? I showed you how to find the cash buyer, right? I showed you how to find the cash buyer. So what is next, right? You will then assign your contract to the cash buyer. And once you go to DoruContracts.com, you get a contract, you get an assignment. That's free. That's on me, okay? Now we're closing, right? So hypothetically speaking, let's say the house is worth $100,000. You got the house for $40,000, right? You got it under contract. You then assigned your contract to a cash buyer for $50,000. Well, what happens after that? Well, what happens is he gives you a $1,000 deposit. That non-refundable deposit is only refundable if the title is no good. So what I have them do is write the check or wire in to the title company or attorney. In North Carolina, we use attorneys to close deals. In your state, it may be title companies. Being that we're in North Carolina, I'm going to say, hey, listen, I need a $1,000 deposit, sign this assignment, the contract, and I will give that to the attorney. And once I give that information to the attorney starts a title search. On closing day, the seller sold me the house for $40,000 and the cash buyer is buying it for $50,000, but he already gave $1,000. So he will wire in $49,000 plus closing costs. Seller gets their $40,000, you get $10,000. All right, $10,000 goes into your pocket. The cash buyer gets the property. Everybody's happy. So that's wholesaling just wrapped up, man. And that's how you would do that. And you can use this system all across the United States of America. Now, that's the process. And I've had people who watch my channel and have been able to go full-time just by watching my channel, as you can see on the screen. So if it can happen for them, it can happen for you. You just have to be willing to go out there, step out there on faith, and take action. If you're interested in getting coached by me or joining my team of students who are out there just crushing it right now, just click on the link in the description and book a call. We'd love to have you on. Now, I want you to watch this video next to me where it shows you exactly what software and how I was able to leverage this software to make 7 figures in real estate. I'm Nasser, aka the Real Estate Guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. Peace.